all are fit and fine at your places. I'm Priyanka Bish from Ardent Progressive School. Today in this session, we'll be discussing about the same topic which we have discussed in the previous class also, that is valuation of goodwill in the chapter admission of partner. Now here we have studied in the previous class that goodwill, which is an intangible assets, so it is not easy to calculate the value of goodwill. So three methods are described for the valuation of goodwill. Those three methods are, first is average profit method. This method we have discussed in the previous class. Today we will be discussing about the second method, which is super profit method, and the third method, which is capitalization method. So in this class we will be discussing about the two more methods which is required for the valuation of goodwill. So first we will be discussing about super profit method. So in this method, which is super profit method, the goodwill is calculated on the basis of surplus profit or excess profit earned by the firm in comparison to the average profit earned by the other firm. So here the formula for calculating goodwill in super profit method will be value of goodwill. Formula is super profit multiplied by number of years purchased. Now question arises how to calculate super profit. So there is another formula for calculating super profit. Super profit can be calculated as average profit minus normal profit. So we have already studied in the previous class when we were studying about the average profit method. We know how to calculate the average profit, which is total profit of the firm earned by the number of years divided by number of years. So here we know how to calculate average profit. Now to calculate normal profit, formula is normal profit can be calculated as capital invested multiplied by normal rate of return divided by 100. So here this is the method for calculating normal profit. So basic method, we know the value of goodwill can be calculated as super profit multiplied by number of year purchased, and with this we can easily calculate super profit and normal profit. So as we have discussed the formula for calculating the value of goodwill under super profit method, we will now solve a numerical question based on super profit method. Question is, the average net profit expected in the future by ABC firm are rupees 36,000 per year. The average capital employed in the business by the firm is rupees 2 lakh. The rate of return expected from capital invested in this class of business is 10%. The remuneration of the partners is estimated to be 6,000 per annum. Find out the value of goodwill on the basis of 2 years purchase of super profit. Now according to the question, profit of the firm is given, that is 36,000. So profit earned by the partnership firm is 36,000. It is also mentioned in the question that the remuneration of the partner is estimated to 6,000 per annum. Out of this profit, remuneration of the partner is to be paid. So here we will subtract this amount, which is 6,000 from 36,000. Actual profit we will get rupees 30,000. This will be the actual profit earned by the company. Actual, or we can say average profit. Average profit earned by the partnership firm. 36,000 was the profit earned by the partnership, but the partnership firm has not made the payment of remuneration to the partners. So we will deduct that amount from the profit. Remaining amount will be the actual profit or the average profit. Now, we have been given capital invested in the business 10% rate of return. Rate of return is 10% and capital employed, or we can say capital invested, is rupees 2 lakh rupees, and number of years purchased is 2 years. So by this information we can easily calculate the value of goodwill by putting the respective formulas. Now coming to the solution part, first we will write average profit, which we have calculated by deducting the remuneration amount from net profit. It was 30,000. We know normal profit is calculated as capital invested multiplied by normal rate of return divided by 100. So here capital invested by the firm is rupees 2 lakh and normal rate of return is 10%. So by calculating this, we will get normal profit amounting to rupees 20,000. Now we have calculated average profit. We have also calculated normal profit. So now we can easily find out super profit. Formula for super profit is average profit minus normal profit. So average profit we have rupees 30,000. Normal profit we have calculated rupees 20,000. Now the remaining amount will be the amount of super profit, rupees 10,000. So here we have calculated super profit. Now based on this calculation we can now easily find out the value of goodwill. Formula for finding out value of goodwill under super profit method is super profit multiplied by number of years purchased. Now yes, super profit we have calculated 10,000 and number of years purchased is 2 years. So the amount of goodwill is rupees 20,000. So this is how we will solve the numerical question based on the calculation of goodwill or the valuation of goodwill under super profit method. So now we will be discussing about the third method and the last method for the valuation of goodwill. Third method is capitalization method. Now under this method, goodwill can be calculated in two ways. First is capitalization by average profit method and second is capitalization by super profit method. So there are two ways for calculating the value of goodwill under capitalization method. So here in the first way, which is capitalization by average profit method, goodwill can be calculated as goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed, or we can call it as net asset. This is the formula for calculating the value of goodwill under capitalization by average profit method. Now, how does the capitalized value of average profit will be calculated? So, there is a formula for it. Capitalized value of average profit is equal to average profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return. This is the formula for calculating capitalized value of average profit. And how will capital employed will be calculated? Capital employed is equal to assets minus liabilities. So here assets minus liabilities is also known as net asset. So we can call capital employed as net asset also. Now this is the formula for calculation of valuation of goodwill by capitalization by average profit method. Now second way of calculating goodwill is capitalization by super profit method. So formula for calculating goodwill under this method will be goodwill is equal to super profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return. And we know how to calculate super profit. Super profit can be calculated as average profit minus normal profit. And formula for calculating normal profit is equal to capital invested or capital employed multiplied by normal rate of return divided by 100. So we have discussed the formula for calculation of valuation of goodwill in both the ways. So we will solve one numerical question based on the capitalization method. There also first we will be discussing about capitalization by average profit method. The question here is, from the figures given below, calculate goodwill according to the capitalization of average profit method. First is actual average profit, rupees 72,000. Normal rate of return is 10%. Assets amounting to rupees 9,70,000 and liabilities amounting to rupees 4 lakh. So by this information, we have to calculate the value of goodwill by capitalization of average profit method. Now according to the question, average profit is given. Average profit amounting to rupees 72,000. Normal rate of return is 10%. Assets we have rupees 9,70,000 and liabilities we have rupees 4 lakh. So as we know, to calculate the amount of goodwill, we have to first calculate the capitalized value of average profit. So formula for capitalized value of average profit is average profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return. Average profit is given rupees 72,000 multiplied by 100. Normal rate of return is 10. So by this we will get the amount 7,20,000 as capitalized value of average profit. Now here we know we have to calculate net assets also. Net assets is also known as capital employed, and formula for calculating net assets is assets minus liabilities. So amount of asset is rupees 9,70,000 and liability is rupees 4 lakh. Now here by solving this we will get the amount 5,70,000 as net assets. So 5,70,000 is net assets and 7,20,000 is the capitalized value of average profit. Based on these values, we can now easily calculate the value of goodwill. Value of goodwill will be, formula is capitalized value of average profit minus net assets. So here capitalized value of average profit is rupees 7,20,000 and net asset is rupees 5,70,000. By subtracting this we will get the amount 1,50,000 as the value of goodwill. So this is how we will calculate the value of goodwill by the first method of capitalization method, that is capitalization of average profit. Now we will take the same numerical question for solving or for calculating the value of goodwill by the second method of capitalization method, which is capitalization of super profit method. So question is same here. Average profit is 72,000, normal rate of return is 10%, assets 9,70,000 and liabilities rupees 4 lakh. So coming to the solution part, we know the formula for calculating the value of goodwill by second method is, this is the second method. Second method is goodwill is equal to super profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return. Now here for this we will have to first calculate super profit. We know formula for calculating super profit is average profit minus normal profit. So average profit is given in the question amounting to rupees 72,000. We will now calculate normal profit first. Normal profit is equal to capital employed multiplied by rate of return, normal rate of return divided by 100. So capital employed we have calculated, capital employed is equal to assets minus liabilities. Assets we have been given rupees 9,70,000 and liabilities amounting to rupees 4 lakh. So by subtracting this amount we will get the amount 5,70,000 as capital employed. So by this value we can easily calculate normal profit now. Normal profit is equal to capital employed is 5,70,000. Rate of return is 10 divided by 100. So here amount of normal profit is rupees 57,000. By this we can now find out the value of super profit. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. So So here average profit is rupees 72,000 minus normal profit is 57,000. So by subtracting this amount from average profit, we will get the amount of super profit rupees 15,000. So super profit is rupees 15,000. Now by this value, we can easily calculate the value of goodwill. We know the formula for calculating goodwill under this method is super profit. Super profit is 15,000 multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return. So here the amount of value of goodwill is rupees 1,50,000. So here also the amount of goodwill is same as we have calculated by the first method, only the formula is different, rest the answer will be same. So this is how we will solve the question based on valuation of goodwill under second method of capitalization method. So in this session we have learned about the two methods for calculating the value of goodwill, super profit method and capitalization method. With this we have completed the topic valuation of goodwill. In the next session we'll be discussing about some new topic. That's all for today. Thank you.